Now, Book 1B, page 11 to 18. Today's lesson is about plant cells and animal cells. If you take a look in these leaf cells by microscope, you will see a picture here like this, which is magnified already. Okay, so what are these? The green one, and what are these transparent ones? And what are these circle? What are they? Today we are talking about what are they. Okay, if you draw like this, it's a smooth line. Okay, you will find the outermost line and shape we call a cell wall. What's the function of the cell wall? The function of the cell wall is to protect the cell, to support the cell, and give the cells a regular shape. Okay, so three main functions of the cell wall: protect, support, and give a regular shape. A regular shape like this, a rectangle like this. Okay, if you take a look on the second line, second outermost line, this is the cell membrane. So what's the function of the cell membrane? The cell membrane is used to control the movement of the substance in and out. Okay, into the cell and out of the cells. So what kind of substance to in the cells and out the cells? Okay, for example, the oxygen, the water. So what's the substance to out of the cell? For example, nutrients and carbon dioxide. Okay, so the function of the cell membrane is to use to control, okay, the movement of the substance into and out of the cell. And then you'll find here the space here inside the cell membrane. Okay, here we call it cytoplasm. Okay, cytoplasm is the place, okay, the place where the chemical reaction take place. So what kind of chemical reactions? You can learn it in Form 2, Form 3, Form 4. Okay, for example, the respiration. For example, photosynthesis. Okay. So the function of the cytoplasm is that the cytoplasm is the place where many chemical reactions take place. For example, respiration and photosynthesis. Okay, if you take a look in this ball-like shape, this is nucleus. The function of nucleus is that it contains DNA, which is the genetic materials for you and for us, right? But also for the plants. The plants has DNA also. So the DNA controls the activities of the cells. All the activities, okay, to control everything, okay, of the cells. The main you can think of DNA is the boss of the cells. Okay, so the function of the nucleus, which contains DNA, which controls the activities of the cell. Okay, the ball-like shape here, and you will see a very big circle like this, which is a vacuole. Okay, we can see a very large vacuole in the plant cells, which is used to store water and dissolved minerals. Okay, store water and dissolved minerals, which is a vacuole. Okay, and you will see it's very small like this, a small circle one, which is a chloroplast. Chloroplast is the site where the photosynthesis occur. Okay, chloroplast is the site where the photosynthesis occur. Okay, let us take more example of the plant cells. Okay, you will find these cells on the leaf of the surface. Okay, the surface of the leaf, which is this one is gut cell. Okay, the gut cell. Okay, the air hole here. Okay, the cells that control the size of the air hole. the gut cell can open and close. Okay. You can find these cells in leaves as well. Okay, you can see a very big vacuole here, and you will see the chloroplast. Okay, which thing in blue, but actually it's like a green color, green in color, and the nucleus here. Okay, nucleus here. Okay, which you will find these cells in the stem of the plants of a plant, which is a xylem. Okay, this is xylem. You can learn it in Form 4. Okay, this is the cells for transporting water. You can find these cells in stem as well, which is phloem. Okay, you can learn it in Form 4 as well. Okay, these phloem cells, the cells for transporting food from the leaf to the root. So you will find this the cells are two-dimensional and flat. These are misconception, okay, which is wrong, okay? So cells are three-dimensional, okay? Three-dimensional, which is like this, shaped like this, okay? And let me talk about the animal cells. Okay, this is a human cheek cell, like your cheek cell here. So if we draw a cheek cell, you can see a cytoplasm here as well. So you'll find that animal cells and plant cells have cytoplasm as well. You can find the cell membrane in animal cells. So both animal cells and plant cells have cell membrane, okay, and nucleus. But animal cells do not have cell wall and large vacuole, okay? So let's take more example on animal cells. This is a nerve cells, okay? This is a neuron, okay? A neuron cells, and this is a nucleus. Nucleus, you will see here is the cell membrane, and the deep yellow one here is cytoplasm. Oh, this is your muscle cells, okay? Nucleus here. And this is your liver cells, okay? Nucleus here, and the cytoplasm here, and the cell membrane here, okay? The surrounding the cytoplasm. And this is your skin cells, okay? Your skin, okay? Nucleus here. And these one is are cytoplasms, okay? And these are cell membrane. So let's conclude the plant cells and animal cells. Both plant cells and animal cells have cell membrane, cytoplasm, and are nucleus. Okay? However, only plant cells have a cell wall and a large vacuole. Some plant cells also have chloroplast for photosynthesis. So let's check what you've learned, alright? Okay? On the page 18 of your book. The nucleus of a cell is the site where photosynthesis occurs. True or false? Truly, it's not. It's a false, right? It's the chloroplast of the cells. Okay, the chloroplast of the cell is the site where the photosynthesis occurs. So, which of the following structure? Okay, these the structure. Okay, structure: cell membrane, cell wall, cytoplasm, nucleus, large vacuole, and chloroplast are structures can be found in plant cells and animal cells. Okay, that's it. Okay, now do your homework. Okay, the pass mark is 4. 4. If you can't got 4 mark, you will be considered that you have failed to submit the homework. Okay, the pass mark is 4. You have unlimited times to finish your work, your homework. Okay.